So as you can see, man, still phase one. We have 3K. We need like 700 more, so we can just go ahead and knock this challenge out the park and get the phase two. Let's get to the charts. I'm gonna show you what we're looking at. All right, top down analysis, same shit, different day. We're gonna start on my daily, and we're gonna see what the fuck I see. Basically, just marking like points of interest where I would like to see sales, where I would like to see buys at. All right, so I got it above this daily high. I got like two levels right here. It's like a wick right here before this major imbalance. And I didn't really see a sell level on a daily level. It's kind of giving bullish on a daily. Kind of bearish, kind of bullish. Kind of like even more right now. Go to my 4 hour. What I see on the 4 hours. Naturally, I'm working my 4 hour high, which is right here. And then I had a little like wick fill right here. That's why I got these two levels right here because price could potentially reject in this area and go to the downside before clearing that daily imbalance. Um, right, so I'm marking my 4 hour low, which is like, I'll mark this one. Right, 4 hour low. And then what's below that? Major imbalance, as you can see on the daily time frame. These are daily imbalances. Go to my 1 hour and find which way are we really trending, you know? Trending up, trending down. From a daily perspective, it was looking like we was in a heavy uptrend. From the 1 hour, we're also in like a little heavy uptrend. So buys are looking like most potential, but we're not against sales. Buys are just more potential. Um, so boom, found my trends. From the trends, found my levels. Go to my 15 minute. See what structure looks like, and I can find a supply and demand zone. Price looks kind of trafficy going down right here. I'm not gonna lie. We also have the supply from yesterday. This is actually from a couple days ago. This is like market low from a couple days ago. We'll just drag this out because this is like a potential target. If the market breaks down to the downside, it will come down to test this support. Potentially come back up. And then go to the 5 minutes. See what we see. This is where I do all execution work at. Working on supply and I guess the area right there has a little chunk in there. So rejecting up this area, we might take buys to the upside. Oh, actually, this is a good supply and demand zone right here. I'm gonna delete this. Mark this one right here. As you can see, like, hold on, I'm gonna show you after I mark it. This candle right here, last sell candle before this huge buy move, and this buy was breaking this high. It broke this high. It broke this level over here. So this is a good supply zone. Market probably buy from right here right now, honestly. But if it breaks through there, it's kind of not confirming that it's going down, but we'll just have to wait and see. Got my read. So I did have it above this 4 hour high, but I just moved my level down a little bit to this 500 quarter level for entry purposes. It's just so either or you can like drop and reject off of this like area right here and use this as a resistance and then just tumble down. Or it could like be a break and a retest. Like for example, because look, we broke this high right here, came down, test this area, and like went up. We could like go down, test a little area, and just pop right back up because we are bullish. But it could also keep dropping and start breaking structure on the lower time frame, and just start breaking structure on this lower time frame, and then like basically start a little downtrend. So it's kind of iffy or right now. So we really just gotta wait till 8:30 to really see and confirm what the market's gonna do. Like it needs to confirm what it's gonna do. We're not taking no trades in no man's land, which is like in the middle. I gotta see it break one of these levels because it's like either or at the moment. All right, so I had an entry at like 825 right here at this demand zone before the market even opened because it was just good risk reward on this trend line. So I did enter before this long candle, but I'm glad I did. And then I took one as it was breaking this. Quick entries, just good risk reward. It was like couldn't beat it. So yeah, and yeah, we're just gonna see how this plays out. Like my entries like around here, around this area, and I have another entry at the bottom over here, which is hella good. Oh, at 453 and 468, I have entries. Um, I had a heavy bias bullish, so I just yeah, I was biased on bullishness. So obviously I just did the trade. All right, I'm gonna take one position off just because we took this early. And she can reverse back at any time. I'm gonna actually put my positions. Alright, so I'm gonna go to a 1 minute time frame so I can like show what I'm really seeing. Cause like the first 5 minutes of 8:30 to 8:35, I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame because I like to see what the candles are really doing, who's in control. I got an entry down here. That's just demand zone. Then I had one when it was breaking this. So if this candle makes this low, I like for it to keep up. If it breaks below that low, I'm probably gonna move my stops to break even or just close positions like it's doing right now. If it's breaking past that, I'm gonna close. If it keeps going up, I'm kind of confident in these positions. I took one of my positions off and secured just a like $155, and yeah, this is I'm just letting this shit ride, and we're gonna see what the fuck happens. It's breaking past these highs on a 1 minute time frame. I think this shit's gonna go to the moon. Whoa. So we're just gonna hold this shit and just keep it going. We had a pretty risky entry. $200 away from passing phase one. Let's just hope this shit keeps going up. Let's just hope. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even on that first trade. Like I said, I got an early entry, so I was just happy with an early entry. So I got my stops at breaks as well as this trade. So move mine to break even. And yeah. So MetaTrader is playing around the 500 quarter level. Might start seeing a retracement here. Uh, I might close and wait for a better position. I just had an early position, but I got very good positioning. So actually, I got stop losses at break even already. So if it just loses this, it loses this. I got a very good fucking positioning on it. So I'm just gonna hold this in. We're already having a bullish bias. Just broke this high as well. It's breaking this 500 quarter level. Like that bitch is a motherfucking something that you got from a candy store. So let's just keep holding this shit and see what it brings us. We are $300 away from passing phase one. So we're just gonna hold and see. Still, markets playing around that 500 quarter level. It's giving bearish momentum at the moment. Like this shit's dropping. But let's just keep holding and see. Shit, like it's gonna drop back. But let's see. Let's just wait and see. All right, so on MetaTrader 4, we've like kind of broken through this level already. On TradingView, we're also about to break through this level. Yes, go. We're up 50 pips with it. Current balance 53,840. We're just trying to get 5,400. We're just trying to reach that 4K mark so we can literally just be done with this phase one. So it literally almost knocked me out at break even. Like it was a couple pips away from hitting me out at break even, but it didn't. I don't know. I guess at this point we just trusting the process and hoping that it stays going up because we have amazing entries. So let's just hope it keeps going up. If not, that shit's gonna drop from the sky. But we don't really know what the market will do. We're just reacting to what it does. So on this 1 minute time frame, we can see that the market is like creating a resistance right here at this bottom. So I'm hoping it just fucking stays above and keeps floating above. I see that the buyers are in control because out of the candles that's coming, it be having some big selling candles, but there's more bullish candles that's like just kind of saying we're bullish, and it's never breaking. It's never like really, if it wanted to come snatch this liquidity, it probably would have. If the sellers wanted to snatch the liquidity, they could have already, but they didn't. And we're just breaking highs, breaking 500 quarter levels. I think it's just bullshitting around right now. But ultimately, my stop's at break even, so it's risk free. And I'm just gonna keep fucking holding this shit because this trade could go to miles for real. We got a daily imbalance above this level, so yeah. Finally, this bitch broke above. Like it's just making higher highs and higher highs. Like I have such a bullish bias on this trade, and I really I believe this trade is going to keep going up because look at the daily. Like there's literally just this daily imbalance above. It just broke above this daily high. It's just like why wouldn't it buy? That's kind of like what I'm thinking. Um, so we're gonna hold this until we pass the challenge. It's kind of like no profit say because that daily imbalance is huge as fuck. But I'm not trying to catch the whole move. I'm literally just trying to catch like a couple more dollars out this shit until my challenge is passed and I'm out of there. I'm out of this trade. Phase one is complete. I call it like 70 pips. I explained the breakdown. That's what I seen. I held that trade. It got the daily imbalance. I believe it's still gonna keep going up over this whole day. But I don't give a fuck. I passed my phase and I'm out of there. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Tell Mello thank you.